How to plant and treat Angelonia flowers as ornamental plants for beginners. Ornamental plants. Angelonia flowers or Angelonia augustifolia is one of the ornamental plants of flowers are popular as ornamental plants and home garden pots. Ornamental plants. This Angelonia flowers are native to the West Indies of Mexico. Angelonia flowers are also called summer snapdragon flowers because the flowers are similar to the Angelonia dragon's mouth, which if pressed will open and close. Purple, pink, white and Angelonia blossoms are there, and the bicolor that congregates on its trunk makes it look like a snapdragon flower plant. This flower of Angelonia plants have a form of elongated green leaves and serrated on the edges. The leaves of this flower plant have a distinctive aroma similar to apples. This Angelonia plant can grow to a height of 65 centimeters, can be even higher if in hot weather conditions. This ornamental plant is quite tolerant of pests and drought. This flower stem produces flowers 60 centimeters long and very unsightly. These Angelonia flowers can grow and bloom easily without requiring special treatment. How to plant and treat Angelonia flowers can be done through seeds or through cuttings. The following how to plant Angelonia flower more. 1. How to plant Angelonia from seeds. First, small Angelonia seeds are taken from dried pods. Then dry the seeds first, then the seedlings in the room for 6 to 12 weeks. Prepare the pot and also the planting medium. Planting media that need to be prepared is a mixture of compost and other organic materials. After that, seed seedlings to the planting medium. During the germination process, save the seeds that have been sown in the shade, that is up to 7 to 14 days after planting. After that, gradually move the Angelonia flower plants to a place that is exposed to the sun shade outside the room. This Angelonia flower takes about 14 weeks from seeding until the first flower appears. 2. How to plant Angelonia with stem cuttings. This Angelonia flower plant will be easy and fast growing if planted through stem cuttings. Planting stem Angelonia cuttings on planting medium that has good drainage. If soil and environment conditions support, then after 2 weeks, stem cuttings will take root. 3. How to plant Angelonia with separation of clumps. Dig the Angelonia plant with its roots and separate them according to the root of the root. Next, plant the Angelonia plant in pot. Put in the shade. Do watering at the beginning of planting. If the plants have grown, there is no need for intense watering. 4. How to care for Angelonia flower. The Angelonia plant will grow well in places with full daylight exposure but is also tolerant of partial shade. However, do watering once in a while when the soil is already visibly dry. When these ornamental plants are planted Angelonia on a vast land, then each plant is spaced about 25 to 30 centimeters, so that the air circulation is maintained properly. In order for nutrients required flowering plants sufficient Angelonia, do fertilization every 2 months by using compost or liquid fertilizer. In order for Angelonia to produce more leafy leaves, do pruning, and after 2 to 3 weeks of Angelonia plants will return flowering. So we are discussing about how to plant and maintain Angelonia flower easily for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.